In the last video, we executed queries on 10 million users, and saw that Mongo was unreasonably slow. As a reminder, I am trying to figure out why this query runs in milliseconds in RavenDB, but takes many seconds in MongoDB. It looks like this is related to indexes, which RavenDB generates automatically, but require manual creation in Mongo. An index orders our users in a way that makes querying it much faster. It is like searching a phone book that is ordered alphabetically instead of going through the records one by one, 10 million times. In this video, we will try to get Mongo up to par with RavenDB's speed. Here is the Mongo equivalent query inside Compass. You can see that this takes a lot of time. Compass allows you to inspect the way database executes the query using explain. As we expect, Mongo suggests creating an index if we plan on using this query in our application. To create the index, I will specify the first name as the index field, the order as ascending, and after a short while, MongoDB will finish generating the index. And that should fix the weird performance issue. Let's execute the query. And it is still very slow. Nothing has changed. After some research online and analyzing the query, I found a problem. The query is case-insensitive, but in the indexes in MongoDB are case-sensitive by default. To fix that, I went and had a little chat with ChatGPT, who told me to create the index with custom collation. In his words, collations allow you to specify language-specific rules for string comparison, including case insensitivity. When creating the query, we will specify the index field and order like before, then open the advanced options, scroll down, and enable custom collations. In the collation field, I set local to English, and according to the MongoDB documentation, strength can be either 1 or 2. I would just have to trust MongoDB because it's not explained what 1 or 2 mean. I hope this will be it. After waiting for explain to complete, I was disappointed to find that the collation just made it worse. Just to recap, I started with the default and RavenDB was milliseconds to Mongo's seconds. I added an index following the recommendation of Compass, and it made it slower. I realized that I needed the right index to handle case-insensitive queries, and that made it truly bad. I spent a lot of time researching this, and I couldn't figure out what I was doing wrong. Instead of wasting more time trying to fix this, I decided that for Mongo, I will give up on this feature and force case-sensitive search. Now, if we type J correctly, the performance is acceptable. The whole video was spent trying to make our MongoDB queries reasonably performant, and although we eventually succeeded, we had to sacrifice case insensitivity for speed. This example concludes my experiment with document databases. Both RavenDB and MongoDB were easy to work with 10 users, but when we made the transition to real-world data by adding 10 million users to each database, the gap between them became clear. RavenDB worked flawlessly out of the box, which cannot be said about MongoDB. I shared the experience with my colleagues, and they said that this is the point of RavenDB, to just be out of your way.